we gather this evening here at Eden Nature Park, we thank you for the joy and beauty of this Christmas tree lighting ceremony. The light shining before us remind us of Jesus, the true light of the world, who comes to scatter the darkness of sin, fear, and division. Thank you for the gift of family and friends, for this peaceful place of rest, and for the blessings you have poured into our lives throughout this year. As we share this meal, may it nourish our bodies as your grace nourishes our hearts. Bless the food before us, those who prepared it, and all the staff and guests of Eden Nature Park. May our conversations be filled with kindness, joy, and gratitude, and may the spirit of Christmas, hope, peace, and love shine in us and through us to everyone we meet. We ask all this through Christ our Lord. Amen. In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. Amen.
We invite everyone for a delightful dinner prepared especially for this occasion. Please proceed to the upper veranda where the festivities